Kohila Veneer is a world-renowned plywood mill known for its state-of-the-art technology. They have been heavily focused on innovation and digitalization in their factory processes, including the automation of entrance systems and traffic management. Managing traffic in such a large area can be a challenge, but with Entringo Traffic, it's easily handled. Entringo Traffic is a unique traffic automation system that helps to make freight and traffic flow planning, vehicle traffic management, and entrance control fast and efficient.
As mill is operating 24/7 non-stop, we had also manned gate 24/7 non-stop. And as labor is becoming more expensive in Estonia, availability of labor is more difficult. We wanted to automate the process. With Entringo Traffic, we wanted to automate our entrance systems. As well, we wanted to integrate our already available systems to this entrance. So that means that scales, workers, access cards, electronic waybill system. We wanted to have a system fully automated. As Hansap is an Estonian company, they have experience with the harbors and lane systems in the harbors. We decided that they could be a reliable partner for us as well to solve our automated entrance system.
Entringo Traffic is a modular system that can be adapted to the specific needs of each company. Traffic helps to automate manual processes, so you have more time to focus on your core business. Have a challenge in mind? Contact us to find out how we can meet your needs.